Hey, what's up? My name is Kenneth and you're watching Boss Your Money. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about how to deposit money into the eToro account and how to get started with the copy trader function. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, please don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm because that really does help me out a lot. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go down to the deposit button, click on it, choose the amount that you want to deposit. For this example, I'm going to deposit $100. I'm going to choose the currency that I want to deposit in, which is going to be USD. I'm going to choose my credit card information or debit card. I highly recommend that you do choose a debit card and not a credit card. And that goes for absolutely any kind of investment that you make online. Always use a debit card and not a credit card. Once you're done with that, just hit deposit. Now, as you can see, the deposit has been completed. And you can also set up recurring deposit, which means that every fortnight or every month, you can automatically make this transaction happen so that you don't have to sit and do it every single month. That way, it also prevents you from using up the funds that you've allocated towards investing in some other meaningless expenses. Let's go ahead and click on got it. And now, as you can see, I have $100 in my portfolio. Once you're done with that, you want to go to discover and scroll down to the copy trader investors. Click on view all, and here are some of the investors that you are actually able to copy. Now, right off the bat, you can see a lot of different things, and some of the important things that you need to consider is the returns that they have generated over the last 12 months. So for example, Daniel Cyrus has generated 32.66%, VIX Gold has generated 17.45% in the last 12 months, and so on. You can also see that they have various different risk levels. Now, the top bar is where you can see the editor's choice. It's just something that eToro themselves are promoting. The second category is a list of investors that are most copied by various different people using eToro. This is a great place for you to get started actually. If you don't know a lot about how to find the right person to copy and so on, I would recommend that you copy someone that a lot of different people are in fact copying. That gives you a higher likelihood that that person is someone that you can actually trust when you copy them. Or you can keep scrolling, find people who are trending right now. This trending section could be likely due to a huge return on investment that they have generated in the recent past. The next section is for those who are into long-term investments. These people have generated over 100% returns over the last 2 years, which is great if you are into long-term investments like I am. Scroll down more, you can see long-short investors, multi-strategy investors, and so on. Now, this is absolutely up to you how you want to choose, how you want to select. Go into the view all buttons in each section and you can really do your research on who you want to copy. But for this example, I'm just going to go into the long-term investors section and I'm going to copy someone who has a decent ROI over the last 2 years, but also has 626 copiers under them, and they don't have just 58 copiers like the last person on this category. So I'm going to click on copy, confirm the terms and conditions. Now, this is something that you need to understand before you start. And as you can see, you need to have a minimum of $200 in your eToro account before you can actually start with copy trading. So I'm just going to go ahead and deposit the balance $100 that I need. So once you have your $200 deposited, you can set this function, which is very, very important, which says stop copying if your copy value drops below a certain amount. So your 200 investment can obviously go up, but it can also go down. Every single investment is subject to market risk, and this setting is something that you need to consider and keep in mind based on the amount you want to risk. So in my case, I'm going to go down because I'm just doing this as an example and I'm absolutely okay with losing all of my money, and I don't want to really sell off my position just because of short-term fluctuations, which is why I'm going to keep it at $10. But if you want to keep a very, very low risk threshold, you can go all the way up to $190. Once you figure it out and set that up, go ahead and click on copy, and that's it. You're good to go. Now, if you want to see exactly where you can find your funds invested, go ahead and click on portfolio, and you can see that I've invested $200 with Hokro, and at this second I've lost $0.02. Now, this is normal. It's going to keep going up and down as per the market fluctuations. So don't be worried about it. Now let's say you want to stop copying Hawkrow or whoever you've chosen to copy. All you have to do is go click on this gear icon, click on stop copying, and again confirm that you would like to in fact stop copying. Once you hit this stop copying button, your current valuation of whatever it might be will be credited back into your eToro portfolio for you to make various other trades. And that's how simple it is to get started, and there is no time like the present for you to start investing right away. I really hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That really does help me out a lot. And while you're at it, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because all I do on this channel is provide you with personal finance tips and tricks, especially if you live in the UAE. If you want to check out more videos on eToro, check out this entire eToro playlist. Or if you want to learn a little bit more about other types of investments from UAE, check out this playlist. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.